Did you know Fieldstone Cabinetry is handcrafted right here in America? We believe there are many things that humans do better than a machine, especially when it comes to crafting cabinetry. Many people love the look of applied molding doors, like the Hartford door style. We know why. The detail is great and the door has an elegant look. Applied molding is like a frame around the door's center panel. At Fieldstone Cabinetry, we apply the molding by hand and take the time to do it right. Not many cabinet manufacturers take the time to sand by hand, but we do. It's the only way to ensure the smoothest finish possible. Stains are applied by hand, and so are glazes. If you choose a distressed finish, like Old World, Villa, or Linen, we want you to know the vintage characteristics are added by artisans, by hand, not machines. Flush ends are a popular option for the sides of cabinetry. Fieldstone Cabinetry creates flush ends by hand. We route, putty, and then sand, all by hand, for the best looking end panel possible. If that sounds old-fashioned, that's okay. It's how we make Fieldstone Cabinetry the best value for your home.